Hey everyone, welcome back. Now, this is a good update. I told you I'm going to get you a good update that is going to pay you in BTC Litecoin. Okay, this is it. But here is it. It is not going to pay you huge. It is not a rich, quick update. It takes time, it takes consistency, but it really pays out. So before I continue to dive into this time box and explaining it, showing you how to withdraw and so much more, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe. This is completely free. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. Liking our videos is also completely free. So make sure that you like, drop some useful comments, and join us on Telegram to receive your day-to-day updates. So let's go. Now this is the time box, and you have a lot of ways to make money right here, but I'm going to choose the survey section. That is what I'm going to talk about in this video because that is the most paid section. Okay, so what you need to do is to create an account using your Google, and you're going to get the link of this site right there on the description of this video and also in our Telegram group. Okay, so once you get the link, click on the Google section that is there, which say that you should register using your Google account, and that is how simple you register. You are going to generate a user ID which is actually unique. Right here is my user ID, and that differentiates me from other users. Let me tell you how to make funds. Okay, now through survey, check this. This is a new survey, and I can start it just by clicking the start section right here. And this survey ends in 24 minutes, and it's going to give me 0.64 USD instantly into this my wallet. That is how easy it is. And this survey contains a list of questions that you can be able to answer. Like this is like day-to-day answers. We are going to teach you and just ask you a little question below. It takes time, to be sincere. It takes getting a bunk of USD right here will also take time. Okay, and I'm going to be dropping a video about this concerning the withdrawal in my next video. I'm really going to withdraw from this site, so make sure that you participate and do it with me so that when I'm withdrawing, you'll be also withdrawing. The minimum withdrawal is 3 USD. Okay, so make sure that you get surpassed 3 USD before you are trying your withdrawal. I'm not going to click in this survey to start it right away because it ends in 24 minutes. This video is not going to end in 24 minutes, so just try it out. Okay, want to withdraw, just go to this straight section, go to settings, set up the withdrawal. Okay, go to payment, go to settings, go to payment. Right here is where you input your wallet address, and you're going to choose whether you're going to be paid through your ATM, you're going to be paid through your score, the visual card, for the whole payments, and so much more. I think before we had BTC and Bitcoin right here. I don't know what just happened. Maybe it changes. Okay, that is how you are going to set up your payment account. And don't forget that for your payments, let me just go ahead and click on the payment and show you. And take note, there is no withdrawal button. Okay, there is nothing like a withdrawal button where you are going to be clicking your withdrawal. They are going to be withdrawing from Monday down to Friday. So if you are above the minimum payout, you're going to be getting your funds instantly into the wallet that you use, whether it's your Trust wallet, whether it's your Binance, your Bluefin, any wallet at all. That is how easy it is to get paid. Now, another way for you to generate more funds apart from this survey section is through referral. Okay, now the referral, for you to get the referral button, just click right here on this three section, head on to the referral and slide down. That is how you get your referral link. So go ahead and share this referral link to your friends, to your family, and so much more. You will see, once your friends register, you're going to see some bonus and some funds into your wallet. You're going to be seeing your wallet generated funds right here. Okay, that is where you're going to see it, and that is what I'm going to show you for today's video. So make sure that you try other aspects of this platform, such as the game, the software. You see the taxes right here and other offers. These are people actually winning, and I want you guys in my channel to win this period. Don't forget that we are dropping our day-to-day update on Telegram and also our trades. Make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. I begin to